Hey y'all. So my foreman did have something else for me to come out here and look at. Unfortunately, there ain't shit I can do to it. This particular dump truck was involved in a rollover accident, and the customer stated that it's still leaning to the left, so they were planning on taking it to the shop. But whenever they were driving it back here to their location, they reported that check engine light came on and it kept feeling like it was about to die. Connected up to it with Davey, and come to find out, it's got oil pressure code. So with this thing needing to go to the frame shop, I'm gonna recommend it get towed there, and they should be able to check it out for the engine issue, oil pressure issue, at the same location. So it's one of our bigger locations here in Dallas. They handle a lot of the collision work, so collision, body work, everything. So I'm gonna go in there and tell the customer, let them know the bad news, and then I'm gonna take off for the rest of the day. It's almost 1 o'clock. I started pretty early this morning, so y'all have a good one.